Hey Siri, what's today's date?
It's Thursday, the 15th of July 2021.
And today is the first day of me owning a drone. So it's now 5 minutes past 9 in the morning and I am the proud owner of a DJI Mini 2. The Fly More pack, looking at it, does represent a much better value. Normally when I buy video equipment, I'm confident and excited to get going. With this one, I'm actually nervous.
Yeah, this is my first ever drone flight. And I went along intending to talk to camera, but I was concentrating so hard, there's no talking in this. I was just ensuring that I was fully concentrating on what I was doing. But the DJI drones, as I rapidly discovered, are very easy to fly. And I think my years of using a PlayStation controller and playing flight sims paid off, really. All I had to do was remap one of the sticks, so when I pull down on the stick it goes up. That really helped. And I'm blown away by the footage. This is 4K at 25p. I've got my DJI Osmo Action on my hat getting these shots. And they cut together really nicely. And this is the highest I went up, and I pulled the metadata from the clip. I might do a video about that in the future, but this was the highest I got. Very successful first flight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.